Uh, Hi people, we are still on this question paper 2023 November for CFS and 5. So we are still busy with our ratios. Uh, so we are supposed to continue with our ratios. So now we are supposed to do number 4.1.3, which is inventory turnover rates, no decimals. Okay, it's 7 marks this one. Okay, let us go there. Under Excel, uh, we write 413 inventory inventory turnover rates. Remember, I said this one is not compulsory. So now we must remember always to know our formula. So the formula for this is cost of sales divided by uh, average average uh, average inventory. Then that's it. Okay, now we need to go to our question paper and try and find out uh, our formulas. Okay, our amount, sorry. So we go there. Now, this is what we are having here. We are having uh, closing inventory. I hope you can see that. We are having inventory, uh, which is 46,900 and 82,500. Then after that, we have a closing inventory, which is, let me check here, Nancy. So we have this one first. This is what I'm talking about. We have these two amount. So in order for us to get the cost of sales, remember, let us do it the longest way, but we are supposed to say opening balance of inventory, are we together, plus the purchases of the month, which is this one. Then we are going to say less a closing inventory, which is this one. Okay, let us do the cost of sales first. Okay. Now I'm going to say open. Remember, we are looking for cost of sales. Okay, let me just say cost of sales. Let me say cost of sales here. Okay, sales. We are going to say open. It's on opening. Inventory, this one. So we are looking at the opening inventory for 2020. Two. Remember? Let's go there. Okay. Before that, we say plus purchases. Purchases. Then we say less closing inventory. So, okay, let's just say you know that I'm talking about inventory. Okay. Now, let's quickly go there. Okay, opening balance for inventory is this 46, followed by open purchases and less the closing. This one. Okay, let's go there quickly. So we set it's 46, 900 plus purchases, which is 132, 180. Let me just add the line here so that I can add these two. Then we say less. The closing here, it is 82,500. It's like this. So I'm going to say is equal to this amount plus, remember this one is a negative, so I need to say plus. But if it was a positive one, I was supposed to say less. So I get that one. Now, we have calculated our cost of sales. Now, what we can do here is that we can look for our average inventory. So we are going to say here, open brackets, or we can just say, remember, we are going to say divide, open bracket, opening bracket, it will be what? It will be opening balance. Let's go to, so it will be the opening balance of the inventory, which is 46, is this one. It will be 46. It will be 46 plus a closing. Remember, we are looking at the one for 2022. So we add these two and then we divide them by 2 as well, because we want an average. Okay, so here we are going to say 46,900 plus 82,500. We close, we divided by 2. Now, it's supposed to be like this. Then, let us do it here nicely. Now, I can just take this amount as it is and put it here. Now, let us calculate this one alone. So I'm going to say is equal to 46,900 plus 82,500. Close brackets. We divide by 2. So it's like that. So now let us see how much is it going to give us. So we are going to say is equal to this amount divided by that. It will give us 1. So which means this amount goes there how many times? 1 times. And then our question, let me go back there and check. What was the our question? Said what? No decimals. Okay. So which means we must click like this. It should be 1 times. So it goes there 1 times. Please make sure that you show each and every calculation is there, because it will be a mark at the end of the day. Okay, we are done with this one. We are doing 4, 1, 4. Let me check. Yes. Okay, which one are we supposed to do now? We are doing a gross profit percentage display. Answer as a percentage with 1 decimals, 5 marks. Okay, let's just quickly do this one. They are saying gross profit percentage. It's not a problem even if you can write it like that. They will mark it. So, what is the formula for this one? Remember, every time you start, you must start with formula. So, the formula for this one, it's a gross profit divided by sales or turnover. It's up to you which one you want to use. Then you say times 100 divided by 1. That one is your formula. Okay. Okay, let's just say sales less cost of sales, less cost of sales. So we are going to do a little bit of this part. Now, firstly, can we go on top of there? Now, remember this one, it was our cost of sales that we have already calculated. So there's no need for you to recalculate it. So what you can do, you can just copy and paste it here. Even if I can delete this, close this. Yeah. Then now our cells. Our cells, I can go there. Our cells is gonna be 308,400. Our cells. It's gonna be 308,400. Okay, let us go there. We type it as 308,400. So our gross profit, we are going to say now is equal to sales less cost of sales. We are getting 211,820. That is the final amount that we are getting. But it's not what we are looking for now because they want a percentage. So how are we going to make it a percentage? So what you can do if you want, you can even do it there on top, they will mark it. So we can say now, our formula says gross profit. So I'm going to say gross profit divided by sales. That's it. But this amount is not a percentage. It is wrong like that. So what are we supposed to do here? They said it must be displayed as a percentage. So I'm going to click here. But even though I've done it like that, they also said here, let me just show you. They said it should display 1 decimal for 5 months. So I'm going to go there now, check carefully what I'm going to do. I'm going to add like that. So you click this, either this one is to increase, this one is for decrease. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I will do the last one after this one. Thank you for watching.